Most of the best top-load washers now mimic front-load wash these days with larger capacities, new features, and smart functionality. That's not always a good thing, as you'll see. However, you can still buy more basic machines. In this video, you'll learn all about the best washers to consider, along with the features. You'll also learn a little bit about the difference between all the top-load washers. Let's get started there. Top-load washers come in two types, Agitator and Impeller. The Agitator is a central post that twists and turns, giving your clothes a good scrubbing. In contrast, the Impeller is a low-profile mechanism at the bottom that swirls the clothes around more gently. Sure, agitators clean better, but they can be rough on your clothes. Impeller models, they offer more room and are gentle on your clothes, but the cleaning isn't as effective. So, if you want the best of both worlds, consider models with smaller agitators like those from GE, Maytag, and LG. They're designed to balance capacity and cleaning power. LG has become the most reliable brand over the last few years. Their reliability has been the best overall for the last 5 years. Then again, LG manufactures more of its parts, like motors, than most other brands. So they're less reliant on outside suppliers and have more quality control as well. LG has attached the future on inverter technology for their motors. It has fewer working parts, so it runs quieter and is more reliable, at least in theory. The size is large, 5.0 cubic feet. LG has smart functionality with their ThinQ app. Smart technology allows you to turn the machine on or off and see the time remaining. You also receive push notifications when the cycle is complete. LG also has tons of cycle. Our parents' washers had 3. This washer has 8 cycles and 15 options. The Turbo Wash cycle employs 5 high-powered wash sprays to turn any cycle into 30 minutes. Profile is the best detergent dispenser for any kind of liquid detergent or pods. You can even customize your own. And the smart dispense technology can handle up to 32 loads, preventing you from using too much detergent, which is bad for both the fabric and the machine. Profile's top-load washer is Wi-Fi enabled with Smart HQ, allowing to customize cycles and dispense detergent remotely. The machine features Smart Wash and Smart Rinse with sensors inside that measure soil levels and adjust the wash and rinse time for the best performance. You even have a 12-cycle, 7-option machine with downloadable cycles. One of my favorites is the Tangle setting. Most top loads can tie up bed sheets and other larger items. Oxy is another custom cycle, so you can sanitize your whites. The size is also large at 4.9 cubic feet. I'll admit it, I sometimes wash my clothes without separating whites and colors. I wash a coat so the colors don't bleed. It's not the best for cleaning whites. Probably not the best practice, but Maytag solves that problem with the extra power setting, letting you wash both without worry by starting in cold and then gradually warming to wash both. It's 4.7 cubic feet capacity combined with the power wash agitator and extra power button, making a solid choice for heavy-duty wash. While it might be a bit harsh on delicate fabrics and lacks an Energy Star rating, it's a good choice for time-starved who won't separate the loads. Most local dealers love Speed Queen because they're not sold at the box store. I don't understand spending more money for this machine for less capacity, but this unit is gentle on your clothes. The TR7003 operates at an impressive quiet noise level of 42 decibels, making it quieter than most dishwashers designed to be silent in your kitchen. The agitator moves in sync with the water, independent of the motor floating with the water flow. This makes it not only quiet, but also gentler on your clothes. However, it doesn't clean as well, particularly tough stains because of the lack of almost any agitation. For that, you should consider their classic model. The TC5003, I understand buying somewhat more. You have an aggressive 270-degree agitation and defill option to saturate your clothes. If you get dirty often, then this machine might be an option. You don't have the capacity and options of the others. GE, LG, and Maytag will give you different cycles and larger sizes. Now, if you want to learn more about the best front-load washers for this year, click here, and thanks for watching.